As many of you know, I've been working a whole lot on building my own scoring system. It's a really neat system that kind of replaces the things that hang over your head and keep score and things like that. And the reason we're looking at that is, well, I just plain can't afford to upgrade ours. So luckily, I'm an engineer, so I started building my own. So the first thing you notice here is on your left, you have the bowler overhead. This would go on a TV over the lane. And then on your right, you have a control panel. And this control panel kind of replaces the different keypads that you currently see on pedestals. I'm thinking maybe like a tablet hangs out over there or sits on the coffee table or whatever. Got a light mode and a dark mode, as you can see. The whole thing is themable, so let me open up my neat little secret control panel at the moment. And as you can see, I've got my daylight theme chosen here. I'm going to switch it over to, let's see, they're really just kind of color choices at the moment. Some of them are rearrangements, some of them are just the same thing packaged up and made simple. I think we're going to go with Cosmic Bowling. Lane 8. And as you can see, boom, there it is. So let's say you're a bowler and you walk up and we charge you by the hour. And let's add our whole family here. Nick, Avi, Piper, Lee, Aaron, and Charlie. And let's say Charlie's got a 10-pin handicap. We're going to give her a whole strike extra. We're going to give Lily a 2-pin handicap. And Aaron a 1-pin handicap. And as you can see here, all of that updates right up here. So we'll go ahead and start our game. And the first thing you notice is that we've got a whole bunch of controls here. It shows you what time it is now, how much time you have left on the lane. You've got your typical controls here. This will cycle the machine. This will give you a full fresh rack. This lets you edit your score, which is done like so. And then I can do it again. And as you can see, boom. Okay. You can actually pick whose turn it is, which is something you can't do today. It takes a second to kind of register that I've done that. All different stuff that I've got to kind of work on and improve. Let's see. If you want to add more time, you can do so right there. If you want to call for somebody to come over and take a look at something you need help with, you can call a server. You can call for help. The difference between these two is this is a machine problem, and we stop your clock when that happens. And then this is just, hey, can I get a Pepsi or a Coke or something like that? In our facility, it's Pepsi, just FYI. So yeah, that's basically the short version of this. The very cool part is if I turn that tablet landscape, it kind of changes things around a little bit. You can kind of see everyone's score down here, just like you can up here. And yeah, other than that, it's basically the same interface. End your session when you're done, or we can end it for you, and then back to normal. Like I say, this whole thing is themable, so let's say you don't like the cosmic theme here. I can do a daylight. I can do a daylight theme. And I can do the same over here. Or let's go. Let's say I don't like these stats being up here. You can rearrange things. You can turn these on and off entirely. The ticker, I don't have to have that on there. And yeah, get an idea for a preview. So it's not 100% yet, but it's getting there. It actually works. It does control the machine. It does take your score properly. At this point, I'm just making it work more better. So yeah, thanks for your time, and hope to see you soon, and come bowl with us. Thanks.